Every time you swipe a credit card, it looks instant. But behind that 1 second, there's a whole chain reaction. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happens when you tap, why some payments get declined, and who actually gets paid every single time. Let's start with the biggest misconception. When you tap your card, money does not move from your bank to the store right away. What actually happens first is a permission slip. Here's the cast of characters. You, the cardholder, the store, the merchant, the store's bank, called the acquirer, your card's bank, called the issuer, and in the middle, the card network, like Visa or MasterCard, which is basically the highway system for card messages. Now the swipe. Step 1. The store sends an authorization request. It asks, is this card valid and is there enough credit? That request goes to the store's payment processor, then to the acquiring bank, then across the card network, and finally to the issuing bank. Step 2. The issuing bank decides. This is where fraud checks happen. It looks at your spending patterns, location, the store type, and a bunch of other signals. If it approves, it sends back an OK, an authorization code. At this point, the store gets a green light and hands you your stuff. But again, money still hasn't arrived. This is the hidden detail most people miss. Authorization is not payment. It's just a temporary hold. That's why you can see a pending charge that later disappears. The system reserved the space, then released it. Now, how does the store actually get paid? That happens during clearing and settlement, usually later that day. Clearing is when the store submits a batch of approved transactions. Basically, here's the list, pay me. The acquirer forwards that batch through the network to the issuers. Then comes settlement. The issuer sends money to the acquirer, and the acquirer deposits money into the merchant's account, minus fees. So who gets paid? The issuing bank earns interest if you carry a balance. The merchant gets paid, but not the full amount. The network takes a small fee for routing. The processor takes a fee for handling the transaction. Sometimes other middle services take a cut too. This is why small businesses sometimes prefer cash. Those fees add up. Now, why do cards sometimes decline even when you have money? Because the decision isn't only about your balance. It might be suspected fraud, card expired, wrong CVV, the merchant system can't reach the network, or a temporary block by the issuer. One more thing, debit and credit feel the same at the checkout, but they're different under the hood. Debit pulls from your bank account. Credit is your issuer lending you money. But both still use the same basic message highway. So here's the real takeaway. When you swipe a card, you're not sending money, you're sending a request, getting permission, and joining a behind-the-scenes batch process that settles later. That 1 second at the register is the calm surface. The system underneath is moving fast, so you don't have to think about it. If you want more videos that break down invisible systems like this, subscribe to How It Actually Works.